So, you want to teach online, but let's be honest, most video platforms just make things harder. Google Meet has that countdown clock. Zoom, it's full of complicated settings and pricey plans. But what if there was an easier way? With Jitsi Meet for WordPress, you can run live classes directly from your own website. No tech headaches, no time limits. Whether you're teaching language, coding, or anything else, this is one of the simplest ways to host live classes online. To get started, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Jitsi Meet. Install and activate the plugin. This is a premium feature, available with the Jitsi Meet Ultimate package. Next, go to the Jitsi Meet settings and open the Add-ons tab. Activate the Frontend Meeting Creation add-on. This allows students to join your class directly from your site without any backend access. After activation, you'll get a shortcode. Copy it and paste it onto a page like Online Classroom, where you want your students to join your sessions. This creates a clean meeting interface right on your site. Now, click New Meeting. You set the recurring meeting for the students every week, and they'll be able to join automatically when the scheduled time arrives. You can also customize your class page, change the title, add a description for your students, modify the button label, or hide the default image to keep it clean. With just a few simple steps, your WordPress site becomes a live virtual classroom where students can join with one click. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.